Hey there, Ryan here. Seller Reviews. Here's a new one. I am trying to check out on Amazon. I found a used set or open box set of these foaming soap dispensers. I'm taking a gamble on because some of the negative reviews say that the lids don't fit on the jars. So we'll see. Can always just return things. And then beef gravy is on sale, 89 cents a can. That's 8 cents an ounce. That's a silly deal. Here's the problem. I like to get things that are sent from Amazon put inside of boxes and bags, and then I reuse those boxes and bags for my own eBay stuff. Why can't I do it now? Watch this. We're going to select hide what's inside, ship in Amazon packaging. All right. It's not selected. It still says reduce packaging, ship in manufacturer's container. Let's try that again. Hide what's inside. We're trying to hide what's inside. And you can't do it. Why is that? Why can't you hide what's inside on Amazon anymore? If anyone has the answer, leave a comment. If you've experienced this, leave a comment. And if you've experienced how to defeat this, leave a comment, because one of the biggest perks of ordering from Amazon is the packaging, in particular their bubble mailers. It could be turned inside out and used to ship your own stuff. All right, thanks for watching.